The United States government has imposed sanctions on President Emerson Mnangagwa, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Central Intelligence CIO Deputy Director Walter Tafumanei, and businessman Kudakwashe Tagwirei. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. In a statement, United States National Security Council spokesperson Adrian Watson said the 4 individuals have been designated under the Global Magnitsky Human Rights Accountability Act for their involvement in corruption or serious human rights abuse. The statement reads, "In Zimbabwe, we continue to witness gross abuses of political, economic, and human rights. The targeting of civil society and severe restrictions on political activity have stifled fundamental freedoms, while key actors including government leaders have siphoned off public resources for personal gains. These illicit activities support and contribute to a global criminal network of bribery, smuggling, and money laundering that impoverishes communities in Zimbabwe, South Africa, and other parts of the world. In response to new and continuing corruption and serious human rights abuse, the United States is refocusing and elevating its efforts to hold accountable the individuals and entities that are responsible for this exploitation. Sanctions on these individuals and entities do not represent sanctions on Zimbabwe or its public. The administration reaffirms its commitment to build with the people of Zimbabwe, will continue to robustly support civil society, human rights defenders, and independent media to promote values consistent with the Zimbabwe Democracy and Economic Recovery Act of 2001, and take additional measures to hold accountable those who deny Zimbabweans the democratic freedoms and good governance they deserve." This is the shocking news about ED Mnangagwa being imposed more sanctions. So tell us what you think down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.